Deebot Ozmo 900 that just came in today. Today I'd like to unbox it for you and try it out. So this is the package that just came in today, and let me just show you the tag right here. Some of its specs. So here it is. The inner box was covered with an outer box, and so let me just take this out really quick. And so this is what's inside the outer box, and as you can see, there's a warranty card here. And so this is one of the main reasons why I bought this brand. It's because it has a 1-year warranty from Ecovacs. So if I have anything to claim, if I need any repairs, they can cover it within 1 year since purchase. So let's just take a quick look at the box. And it has its features on the side, app control, automatic charging, stair safety sensors, and obstacle detection, and also scheduled cleaning, which I hope would be very convenient for me. And also the back shows other features and what it can do. Also, for this type, you can use the app and to schedule it and to map it and control it remotely. All right, let's get this thing opened. And here it is. Comes with the quick start guide here, also with the little brush that you can use. Let's open this. Looks well, and here is the actual unit. Inside here, I guess is the parts, the accessories. Let's see what's inside here. So this was what was in the first box. They're actually spares of 2 side brushes, a direct suction option because the main brush is already pre-installed, and also an extra filter. Oh yeah, and it also came with an extra cleaning cloth for mopping. And we also have the charging dock, which is very convenient. So the vacuum robot goes straight to the charging dock automatically when the battery is about to run out. So now let's see what's underneath this. And here you have it, the cloth for mopping and 2 side brushes. And here it is, the main unit of the Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo 900. It's pretty good. It's pretty clean. The outer material is made of plastic, and it's actually kind of big. Let me measure it really quick. By measuring, it's about 34 centimeters in diameter. It's about 1.5 feet. So this is the bottom view of the unit. Let me just show you real quick. It has the universal wheel at the front and the charging contacts, and also around the unit there are anti-drop sensors. The main brushes were pretty easy to install, just match the colors, green or red. And we have the brush. This is the main brush option with the brushes. You can also replace this with a direct suction option. This is better for vacuuming hair. As for this, it may get caught in the brushes. That could be easily installed by removing this and just replace all this with this. Also the reservoir with the water inlet, where you could fill up the water through here, and also change the cloth with the extra cloth that it came with, as I showed earlier. Alright, let's turn this on.
Mopping plate has been installed.
Mopping plate has been installed. Okay. And let's turn them on.
I'm starting to clean.
We're starting to clean. Wow. Now this is my very first time operating this. Let's see what it's doing. It's actually considerably quiet, I think. I haven't really set anything up yet. I've already downloaded the app, but I haven't connected anything. I haven't set anything yet. I will after this shortly. I just want to see how it runs. I guess it's just I found an edge, and I guess it's just cleaning around the edge. The mop is installed, but I didn't fill any water in it. So basically, what it's doing is just sweeping and vacuuming. We'll see how it goes. We'll see the results later. So I'm gonna fill up the reservoir really quick for mopping. Fill it up with water, and probably just add a little bit of soap in it. So I filled up the tank with water with just a little bit of floor cleaner. I'm not sure if this is too much or too little, because this is actually, there's no indication, no sign saying how much we should fill. So I'm guessing I could fill it up to the top.
Mopping plate has been installed. I'm returning to the charging dock.
So before I started this, I tried to declutter the house as much as I can, taking everything off the floor as much as I can, so that for this first time use, we could map the house more thoroughly. currently on top of a carpet. It detected it and the suction power has increased. It is now off the carpet and suction power decreased, and it looks tangled on the carpet. Let me give it a hand. Now, I like how it can maneuver around the chairs and the table. It actually got through it. It made its way into a room. It says the battery is low, so it's trying to find its way back home to the charging dock. Let's go there.
I'm starting to charge. Once fully charged, I will resume cleaning.
Thank you. And so after it's done cleaning, vacuuming, and mopping, to be honest with you, the floor does feel clean. Seriously. It really does feel clean. And let's see the results of our first clean. Let's turn this off first. Whoa. That's actually pretty satisfying to me. This is my very first time cleaning, and this is how much I got. Pretty good. Let's clean this out. Got some stuff here. This is some plastic stuck on the brush. So here are some key features of the vacuum robot, which makes it very efficient and very helpful. I don't have a maid at home to clean, so I do all the cleaning myself. And with this robot, it really makes my life easier. I really do recommend this robot.